Next question we have question number 6. The breadth of a rectangular garden is 6 meter less than its length. If the length of the garden is 30 meter, find the perimeter of the garden. Here we are asked to find the perimeter of the garden when the breadth of the garden is 6 meter less than its length. Remember, 6 meter less than its length, and its length is given, the length of the garden is given 30 meter. Okay, so we are asked to find the perimeter of the garden. So as you can see here, it's a rectangular shaped garden, so we will have to use the formula of rectangle. And what we are asked to find, we are asked to find the perimeter of the garden, so we will use the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Why rectangle? Because it is a rectangular garden. Okay, so let's see, this is the diagram. We can see that the length is given 30 meter. Okay, here it's 30 meter, so the length here is 30, so this will also be 30. Remember, the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, so if this is 30, this will also be 30. Understood? So we don't know the breadth, correct? So in order to find the perimeter of the garden, we need both length and breadth. Length we have 30. What about breadth? You can see here the breadth of the rectangular garden is 6 meter less than its length. It's not 6 meter. Remember, the breadth will not be 6 meter. It says it is 6 meter less than its length. So what is its length? Its length is 30 meter, right? So given length is 30 meter, so breadth will be 6 meter less. That means what? 6 meter less, so it will be minus. Okay, 6 meter will be subtracted from its length. Are you getting? So breadth will be like this: 30 minus 6. 30 is the length. Since 6 meter since the breadth is 6 meter less than its length is 30, so we are subtracting 6. Why? Because it is 6 meter less. Okay, so 30 minus 6 will be 24. So your breadth will also be 24 meter. The breadth of this garden will be 24 meter and length is 30 meter. So using this length and breadth, we will be able to find out the perimeter of the garden. So therefore the perimeter of the garden will be twice length plus breadth. As you can see, twice length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. And why we have used this perimeter of rectangle formula? Because it is a rectangular garden. Got it? So twice length plus breadth. So you put the value of length and breadth, you get like this: 2 into length is 30, breadth is 24. So you'll get 2 into 30 plus 24. Next step, we will add these two. So 30 plus 24 is 2 into 30 plus 24 is 54. So you multiply 2 and 54, you will get 108 meter. So this is the perimeter of the garden. Okay,